Hello, seventh grade. Hope you all are doing well. This is lesson 1, day 1 of your virtual online class. We're going to do something pretty simple today, hopefully fun to you. If you are in your Google Classroom at the moment watching me on this video, I want you to start off by clicking on the link that you see here that says log into Robot Mind Academy. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to the website that looks like this, Robot Mind Academy. You will need to create an account first so that you can get started in it. Mine is already there, but go ahead and create an account. Use your school email address, the @students.wcpss.net. Use your school email account for both of these. Create a password. And then once you guys get logged in, it's going to change and it's going to look like this. This will be your home screen once you're in there, and it'll have your name here. Click under courses. Okay. And then you guys are going to start this activity here called Hour of Code. This is your very first lesson. This is going to teach you some basic programming skills that we were going to do anyway in class with the VEX robotics, but we were going to be using Robot C. But since we're not in class and we're doing it online, Robot Mind Academy is pretty good. I've just learned about it. But you're going to click on the Start button. And then I've started a few of them, a few of the lessons, but you're just going to really just go through each of these lessons right here under Getting Started. And literally it will walk you through step by step. So your first step is just to watch the video. Okay. It tells you awesome, job well done. Then hit your arrow key and go to the next screen. Okay. And you're going to watch like a 60-second video. And then after that, you're going to go on and you're going to try to pick up the beacon, which is here. So just like when you guys do Hour of Code in school and you use your keys over here to help you program your robot, you're going to do the same thing in here. You're going to tell it how to go either forward or right or left or right. And I want you to play around with it. If you don't get it right the first time, it's okay. Play around with it until you figure it out. Okay, and then once you finish this lesson here, and notice right up here shows your progress. So far, I'm only 6% done. You should have all these little radial dots completed once you're done with this one lesson for the day. But once you're finished with this one, you move on to your next lesson. And it won't let you move on until you finish the lesson that you're in. Okay, once you're done and all of these guys are done, kind of like an Hour of Code, you'll get a little certificate. And then you can come out of there, and I should be able to see your account. Somehow I'll figure that out, but I should be able to see your accounts and see your progress. But once you're done, just send me a little note in your Google Classroom right up under here that says, "Hi, Miss Bibbs, I finished my first lesson." You can just type that in for me, and I'll know that you've logged in and that you've completed your course for the day. All right? I will check back in on Tuesday to see if I see any notes here to see if anybody was able to complete that task. And then I will pick back up on Wednesday with a new lesson. We'll just continue on with the Robot Mind Academy. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon. Bye.